Meet Sam. Sam is starting a new job today. He sets off with plenty of time to catch the bus. Getting on the bus is difficult for Sam as he has to bend down awkwardly to get through the door. There are no seats. He asks a disgruntled wheelchair user to move from the priority standing area. This has been specially adjusted for non-wheelchair users. He arrives at the office and meets his new manager. He waits patiently as they find the only chair in the building. He carries his chair to his new desk, hitting his head on the low ceiling as he goes. He finds his induction pack on his desk, but quickly realises that it's all written in Braille. He's confused and turns to his colleagues for help. They tell him they'll be happy to get it translated, but this will take at least a week. Sam carries his chair to the canteen and joins his colleagues for lunch. They ask him lots of questions about what it's like to be too tall and if he's considered seeing a doctor to fix it. After lunch, they decide to plan a Save Sam's Knees fundraiser to raise money for a hardened helmet and lower leg guards so that he can walk on his knees more easily. They all gather to tell Sam what they have planned. Sam asks,
"Couldn't you just have raised the roof?" I've just spent a day in a disabling world where everything is a battle. Disabled people are disabled by barriers at work and in day-to-day life, not by their impairment or difference. Removing barriers is the only way to achieve equality for disabled people. That is what the social model of disability is all about. Welsh Government will work to embed the social model of disability in everything we do from this point on. All of us have a role to play.